Hey, so today we're going to look at the laws of exponents. So we're going to, first let's take a look at what exponents are. So our very first, gotta draw that. It's going to be a lot of color on this one. So if I have x to the power of 3, x is called the base, and 3 is called the exponent. So that's the little number above the base. Okay, we call that an exponent. Now, remember that exponents mean repeated multiplication. So x to the power of 3 means x times x times x. Okay, so this is our foundation here for our rules and our laws of exponents. So we're going to take a look at 5 different rules, and then we'll look at examples to go with it. Okay, so gosh, this is messy. I'm gonna make this smaller. Make sure you guys pause the video if you need to. I know sometimes I feel like I go a little too fast. So here's our first law. So if you have x to the power of m times x to the power of n, then you would add the exponents. So like x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 4, you add 3 plus 4 and you get x to the power of 7. So if you expand it, you can see that all you're doing is you're adding up all of those x's. So the other one is if you are dividing. So if you have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, then you subtract those exponents. So if you have x to the power of 10 divided by x to the power of 4, 10 minus 4 is 6. Now remember that this is subtraction because you're crossing out big ones. So if you expand out all those x's, cross out all those big ones, and how many do you have left? 4. So now x to the power of m to the power of n, you multiply the exponents. So if you have x squared to the 4th power, you're going to multiply 4 times 2 and you get x to the power of 8. I just noticed that I switched those two, the example and then the y. I put 10 and then 6. Anyways, okay, so the last 2 rules are x to the power of 0 is equal to 1, and x to the negative 1 is a fraction, 1 over x. So those are all of our laws of exponents. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.